Thanks for squinting. Take 2.
That foot's stinky. Clean the foot.
Stinky feet.
Okay, this is what. Oh, make that wet.
He's just not at all enjoying this, is he?
I would say not.
So is this supposed to be like a fast process?
Yeah. They're little. You gotta go fast because they get cold. I just got soap in it at the back.
I got it. Trash?
Yeah.
Miss.
Just rubbing.
I'll get it. What's going on there, little man? You getting a bath?
You're okay.
Your hair is a mess. Look at that hair.
Okay, wipe it up. Dry.
You're okay. You're okay, little dude.
Here, hold this for a second.
We're not done yet.
I threw stuff and it hit the floor.
Okay, now his hair.
Hair. Just a little massage.
Remember, not too hard. He has soft spots.
It's all a soft spot.
No, there's a major one right here.
Yes, dear, I know.
Yeah, we were trying to decide if the gift baskets up at Babies R Us were worth it with all the Johnson & Johnson stuff. But, you know, they don't sell those bottles separately that are that size. So we couldn't figure out price.
Attention all nurses, anybody want to order Chinese food, come to the desk. I have 10 minutes to order. Thank you.
You had Chinese last night, didn't you?
No.
What'd you end up eating? What'd you end up having? Oh, no, that was...
Shrimp fried rice.
Yeah.
That was Friday night.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, goodness. Oh. The tortures we put you through, huh?
Okay.
Look at that hair.
Here's the diaper.
Crazy.
That's your alcohol.
For the belly button?
Oh, goodness. Let's get that down there.
And do we get to style his hair?
Yeah.
That belly button's gonna come off any day now. Yeah, it is. It's gonna come off any day now. You're okay. I know, you're cold. Look, he's getting nipples.
Yeah, he is.
He's getting
He's actually
nipples.
He's gonna